Good morning and hello students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your social science teacher, and today we are going to start the remaining part of chapter number 1, that is part 2 of water resources. So student, in this part we are going to learn rivers, lakes and ponds, wells and tube wells, canals, about dams, about the water availability on the earth, rainwater harvesting system, shortage of drinking water, and conserving water. How can we conserve our water? First we will come to rivers, lakes and ponds. Students, you all know river is a source of fresh water. Lake is also a source of fresh water, and pond also. Rivers, streams, lakes and ponds are the natural source of fresh water. These all are the natural source of fresh water. The water from rivers, lakes and ponds is purified and supplied as a drinking water. So water from the rivers, lakes and ponds are purified, goes to purify in the industries, and then it is supplied for our drinking purpose. Water is our homes. Water in our homes is in the form of tap water. नल के पानी के फॉर्म में हमारे घर पर जो वाटर आता है वो जो फॉर्म में होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ टैप water. It is also used as a irrigation purpose. Tap water is also used for the irrigation purpose as well as for our drinking purpose. Students, perennial rivers. What is the meaning of perennial? This is a new word for all of you. So rivers that are formed by melting of snow. So ऐसी rivers which are formed by melting of snow. जब स्नो होता है when it get melts, the water of that snow, melting snow, turns into the form of rivers. That is snow in the Himalayas mountain. Himalayan mountain में जो snows होती है उससे जो river flow होती है, that is called as perennial rivers. Example, the Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Kosi, Gandak and Brahmaputra. These all are the perennial rivers. The next is well and tube well. So student, as you can see in the image that this is a well. So this well is formed by forming an outer structure. This is the outer structure created, and this is the inside structure. In this inside structure, the surface of the ground is first digging, excavation, that means खुदाई करते हैं. खुदाई करके जो अंडरग्राउंड वाटर होता है उसको we will take out for our use, and this is called as wells. So this outer structure is formed after digging or taking out the liquid resources, usually water. The oldest and the most common kind of wells is a water well. This is a water well, you all know that. In our villages, people use the well or the use of wells is most common. Wells are artificial source of water. Wells are the artificial source of water, and natural source of water is the rain. People dig wells where sufficient ground water is available. So wells are dug only on that part of the surface जहाँ पर presence of ground water ज़्यादा होता है. So wells can be dug only on that part of the surface where the presence of groundwater is more. Now the next is tube wells. Tube wells are wells in which iron or plastic pipes are sunk in the ground, and the pumps are installed to draw out water. These pumps are run on electricity or diesel. So students, tube wells are the wells. Tube wells are same as wells, but in these wells, iron or plastic pipes are sunk to the ground to take out the water, and there is a pump. There is on the upper part there is a pump which work on electricity to take the water from the ground to the upper surface. So students, the next is canals. Canals are the channels that carry river water to the crops fields situated far off places. So canals means nehar. So canals are formed at that place where the water sources are far away from the agriculture field. Because if the water sources is far away, so how the field can get the water? So उसी प्रोसेस के लिए उसी वाटर रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर द एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड कैनाल्स आर फॉर्म, नहर बनाई जाती है ताकि खेतों तक पानी आराम से पहुंचाया जा सके जो खेत बहुत ही ज्यादा दूर प्रेजेंट है. Canals are very useful man-made features. It is very useful for man-made feature because it helps to give water to the agriculture fields. Peoples dig irrigation canals. Peoples also dig the irrigation canals to irrigate the field for the irrigation purpose. To take water from rivers to those areas where there is a shortage of water. Peoples क्या करते हैं? They also dig irrigation canals to take the water from the rivers because किसी एरिया में क्या होता है, देयर इज अ शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर. टू फिल दैट शॉर्टेज irrigation canals are formed. Indira Gandhi Canal in Rajasthan takes water from the Satluj River to northwestern part of the Rajasthan. So Indira Gandhi Canal, this is a canal which is in Rajasthan and it takes the water from the Satluj River. जो Satluj River का जो पार्ट है वहाँ से this canal take the water from the Satluj River and put it into the northwestern part of the Rajasthan. राजस्थान के northwestern part में क्या करती है, canal water को supply करती है. So it supplies the water from the Satluj River to the northwestern part of Rajasthan. Dams. Students, we will come to now dams. So what is dam? Dam is a barrier built on the river to check the flow of river water and store it as a reservoir. So dams are built as a barrier. पानी को रोकने के लिए dams are filled to stop the water. Dams are built on the river as a reservoir for storing the water. Dams are useful in controlling floods in rivers. Dams are also used for controlling the floods. Dams water can be used for irrigation purpose. खेती के लिए तो हम लोग डैम्स के वाटर को यूज करते हैं फॉर ड्रिंकिंग पर्पस, फॉर rearing the fishes as well as in the industries. So these are the uses of the dam water: irrigation, drinking, rearing fishes and in industries. ठीक है. The force of water flowing from this is used to move the turbine. So क्या होता है, to generate the electricity dam water is used. Electricity generated by using the force of flowing water from the dams, it is called as hydroelectricity. So electricity which is generated by flowing water of the dam, they are called as hydroelectricity. जो electricity produce होती है by flowing the water from the dams, उस electricity को we called it hydroelectricity. These are the main dams of India. Dams which are built in India are Bhakra Nagal Dam at Satluj River and it is present in Punjab, as you can see in the image. This is the Bhakra Nagal Dam. Now the second is the Damodar Valley. Damodar Valley is built on the Damodar River in Jharkhand and West Bengal. Now the next is Farakka Barrage. Ganga River पे formed है and it is in West Bengal. Hirakund Dam, it is on Mahanadi River in Odisha. And the last one is Naga Arjun Sagar Dam, which is built on the Krishna River in Andhra Pradesh. So these are the dams which are built on the different rivers. Now, Water availability means the amount of water which was present on the earth. कि water कितने amount में earth पर present है, that is called as water availability. The resources of water are not uniformly distributed. Uniformly distributed means कि equal amount में distributed नहीं है. Instead of it is unevenly distributed on the surface of the earth. Humans access this water in different ways. People who live near the streams and rivers get water from these sources. So the sources of the water is not uniformly distributed. That means equal amount में हर जगह पर हर sources नहीं present है. It is unevenly distributed कि थोड़ा पानी यहाँ मिलेगा आपको this form में and in another form it is found in another place. As you can see in Rajasthan, you do not get water easily because there is a scarcity of water. But in Madhya Pradesh or in Panchamari area of Madhya Pradesh, you can get a good amount of water because the rainfall at that place is high, so the water level is also high there. But in Rajasthan it is low. So peoples living in different area, जो peoples different areas में रहते हैं, जैसे कि peoples which are living near the streams or the rivers get the water from the streams or river because ये क्या है सबसे पास वाला एरिया उसका होता है, so they are getting the water from the streams and rivers for their daily requirement. Peoples living in the dry region such as Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a dry region, we all know that it is a desert area, so the amount of water level is very low there. Have to walk miles to get a pot of water. अब क्या होता है, जो राजस्थान के जो लोग होते हैं they have to walk up miles. उन्हें बहुत दूर दूर तक जाना था to take a simple pot of water for drinking. उनके ड्रिंकिंग के लिए भी उन्हें एक सिंपल अगर पॉट भरना हो वाटर का, so they have to walk miles of kilometers. Some drawn it from the wells and some from pumps out from the wells. In Rajasthan, the waters are mainly found in wells and from pumps or wells or in the form of tube wells because the source of underground water is more in Rajasthan as compared to the surface water. Rainwater harvesting. What is the meaning of rainwater harvesting? Harvesting means किसी जैसे कि water को क्या करना, save करना. So saving of rainwater, that is called as rainwater harvesting, and it is done for further uses. Rainwater harvesting is an effective method of saving rainwater from running away into the streams and rivers. So rainwater can be saved by harvesting it, and it is an effective method. It is a very good method for saving the water which was coming in the form of rain on the earth. So rainwater falling on the roofs of the buildings, that means the rainwater is falling on the roofs of the buildings, and this water then collected by the pipes or the small pipes to a underground or ground dug area or tank, in which this all water is collected in a form of groundwater, and this water is called as a rainwater harvesting. Rainwater falling on the roof of the buildings is allowed to flow into a storage tank. क्या होता है कि जब वाटर यहाँ पर फॉल होता है तो छोटे छोटे पाइप से क्या होता है फ्लो होकर जो यहाँ पर जो टैंक होता है, अंडरग्राउंड टैंक होता है या फिर डग करा हुआ जो ग्राउंड का जो टैंक होता है वो उसमें फ्लो होकर जाकर फिल हो जाता है, एंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. दिस वाटर इज यूज्ड फॉर लेटर अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड. एंड क्या होता है, लेटर दिस वाटर वी कैन यूज फॉर अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर नीड फॉर आवर डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज. Shortage of drinking water. Shortage means we all know that किसी भी चीज की कमी होना. So we all know that shortage of drinking water is very high in India. We have acute shortage of water in our country. This shortage occurs due to the following reasons. हमारे country में acute shortage of water in our country for drinking water. Oceans and sea water is salty. So हमें सबको पता है कि oceans and sea water is present in a very good quantity, that is 70%, but this 70% water is salty in taste. ओशियंस एंड सी वाटर जो होता है, दैट इज ओशियंस का बताया हमें, इट इज 71% एंड इट इज salty in taste. So this cannot be used for drinking purpose or farming purpose, as I have already tell you that salty water can't be used for drinking or farming purpose or as well as domestic uses. Next is rainwater is the main source of water, but in India it rains only for 2 or 3 months. In fact, in several places it is hardly rains. So rainwater is a good source for drinking water, we all know that, because it is a fresh water. So but rain in our country gets only in 2 or 3 months. So there is a shortage of water in our country. It is hardly rains. कुछ एरिया ऐसे हैं जहाँ पर बहुत ही कम रेन होती है. So they get the shortage of water. Only 1% of the water is available for drinking on the earth. हमारे अर्थ पर only 1% of water है जो available है as a drinking purpose. Now the next one is that is conserving water. Conserving means for to saving the water for our further uses. You all know that we are facing the scarcity of water, so we have to conserve our water for the further uses for our generation. So conserving water, simple ways to conserve water. Some refrigerators, air conditioners and ice makers are cool with the wasted flow of water. Consider upgrading with air cool appliances for significant water saving. So हमें अपग्रेडेड रेफ्रिजरेटर, एयर कंडीशनर ये सब यूज करना चाहिए, ताकि क्या होता है, अपग्रेडेड इफ दे आर अपग्रेडेड द अमाउंट ऑफ फ्लोइंग वाटर, दैट इज द वेस्ट ऑफ वाटर कैन बी डिक्रीज्ड. Adjust sprinkles so only or lawn is watered and not the house sidewalks on street. We have to adjust the sprinkles. Sprinkles को हमको adjust करके रखना चाहिए for providing the water to our lawns. Water सिर्फ lawns में जाना चाहिए. It will not be wasted on the side path or the street. How to save water? Use a watering cane to water plants. You have to use a watering cane to water plants instead of the pipes or the big sources of water. Take shorter shower user time. You have to take shower. If you want to take a shower, take it in a small timing. Don't waste water or use a bucket for your bath. Stop the leakage. You have to stop the leakage or the tap where the water is leaking from that place. So stop it. So by this you can save the water. Do not waste the water, because it is very essential for our life. Without water, our life is not possible. So let's do our part to save every drop of water. You have to save every drop of single water. Students, now this chapter is finished. Thanks for watching this video, and if there is any query or doubt, you are very free to ask me every time.